When lunchtime rolls around in the great outdoors, plants are frequently at the bottom of the food chain. A carnivorous plant, however, can flip that script. And courtesy of the Cooperative Extension's Spooky Science series, reporter Bethany Doudna brings us a look at some of Alaska's freaky flora.
The vast majority of the plant kingdom sustains itself with nutrients from the soil and sunlight, but for a handful of carnivorous plants, meat is on the menu. One of these is known as bladderwort, an aquatic plant that floats without roots.
And the bladders trap aquatic organisms when they brush against the trigger hairs. It's sort of like a trap door thing. It's immediately sucked into the bladder. And it happens in just a matter of a few milliseconds.
Mosquito larvae are their most frequent food. Since Alaska's other carnivorous plants live on land, flying insects make up most of their diet. An especially pretty example is the butterwort flower, named for its greasy, sticky leaves.
And they're very common throughout most of Alaska, and that shimmering that they give actually attracts insects to the leaf so they can capture them.
A similar capture method is used by the sticky asphodel by attracting insects with a substance on its stem.
The stem then causes them to adhere to the stem, and that's how they eventually absorb it through their stem. Probably our most abundant one that we can watch are the sundews.
Both the longleaf sundew and the roundleaf sundew can be found in Alaska.
They have sticky hairs on their leaves, and they certainly make up one of the largest groups of carnivorous plants that we have here in Alaska. But I think we're very fortunate to have these plants in Alaska.
Reporting for News Center Fairbanks, I'm Bethany Doudna.